Daily routine in English. Common phrases and verbs to talk about your day. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. We'll use some very common verbs and phrases that you can practice every day. Let's get started. Daily routine, phrases and verbs. To explain your day, you need some useful phrases. Here are the most important ones with examples. Morning routine. 1. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. 2. Make the bed. After waking up, I make the bed. 3. Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth twice a day. 4. Get dressed. I get dressed for work quickly. 5. Have breakfast. We have breakfast at 8 o'clock. Going out. 6. Drive to work. My father drives to work every day. 7. Go to school. The children go to school at 7:30. 8. Take a taxi. She takes a taxi when it rains. 9. Wait for the bus. We wait for the bus in the morning. During the day. 10. Work. I work in an office. 11. Have a break, UK. Take a break, US. Let's have a break and drink some coffee. 12. Have lunch. We usually have lunch at noon. 13. Exercise. I exercise in the afternoon. 14. Read the news. My dad reads the news online every morning. 15. Surf the net. I like to surf the net in my free time. At home. 16. Get home. I get home at 6 p.m. 17. Take a bath. I take a bath before dinner. 18. Have dinner. We have dinner together as a family. 19. Make dinner. Mom makes dinner in the evening. 20. Do the dishes. He always does the dishes after eating. 21. Do the laundry. On Sundays, I do the laundry. 22. Fold the laundry. After washing, we fold the laundry. 23. Hang the clothes. She hangs the clothes outside to dry. 24. Iron the clothes. I iron my shirt before work. 25. Take out the trash, US, or rubbish, UK. He takes out the trash every night. 26. Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor after breakfast. 27. Clean the window. They clean the windows on weekends. 28. Wash the car. We wash the car on Sundays. 29. Water the plant. She waters the plants every morning. 30. Cut the grass. He cuts the grass in the garden. 31. Rake the leaves. They rake the leaves in autumn. Free time activities. 32. Play with friends. The children play with friends after school. 33. Go shopping. We go shopping on Saturdays. 34. Go out with a friend. I go out with a friend for dinner. 35. Go for a walk. They go for a walk every evening. 36. Walk the dog. He walks the dog in the park. 37. Feed the dog. She feeds the dog twice a day. 38. Take pictures. I love to take pictures of nature. 39. Play the guitar. He plays the guitar very well. 40. Paint the picture. The artist is painting a picture. 41. Paint the house. They paint the house every 5 years. Night routine. 42. Have a break or take a break. After work, I take a short break. 43. Go to bed. I go to bed at 11 p.m. So, that's a list of common phrases and verbs you can use to describe your daily routine in English. What about you? How do you describe your daily routine in English? Share some of your own sentences in the comments and let's practice together.